Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing thick plain yogurt because it gives body and carries flavor. Greek works best. Once you have ingredients, finely chop 1/2 cup fresh mint so it releases aroma and oils. Add 1 minced garlic clove for pungency, 1/2 teaspoons salt to lift flavors, and a tablespoon of olive oil for silkiness. Mix these first components gently in a bowl until evenly combined. This quick start prevents mint clumps and helps the garlic infuse evenly. Once the base is smooth, you focus on balancing acidity and texture. Stir in 1 to 2 teaspoons lemon juice to brighten the sauce and help the mint pop. Lemon also prevents yogurt from being flat. Make sure to thin gradually with up to 2 tablespoons water or milk if the sauce is too stiff. Stop when it coats a spoon. If the mix tastes sharp, add a small pinch of sugar or honey, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon, to round the flavors without sweetness overpowering herbs. You finish by transferring the sauce to the fridge for 30 to 60 minutes so flavors meld and mint infuses the yogurt more fully. Once chilled, taste and make final tweaks. A pinch more salt, a squeeze more lemon, or extra chopped mint if needed. If the sauce becomes bitter or overly sharp, make sure to balance it with a spoonful of additional yogurt or a touch of honey. This calms bitterness and restores creamy texture. Serve cold and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.